flight's not even till 1 in the morning. It's 11 o'clock. After everything we've had today, I just want to sleep in a bed. Not happening. Eric, you excited to be back home in Winnipeg?
Yeah, man, seize the day, you know?
Hey guys, what is up? We are back in Winnipeg. Literally just touched down around an hour ago. LA was just great weekend. We were in Long Beach, technically for ComplexCon, then in LA for the rest of the time, and I had a really good time. Managed to pick up some dope stuff. I got the Prestos, which I wore these yesterday. I must have got like literally 75 compliments off of these. It was ridiculous. Oh no! I got dirt on them. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean those off, and then I also got this sick Jaden Smith hoodie. I got this Murakami print, which is awesome, and I know lots of you guys were asking to see that. It is like under 7 layers of packaging. I will show you eventually. And then Eric left his Supreme bag in my suitcase, so I now have like $900 of Supreme. As always, I hope you guys are doing good. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoy my content, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's a little bit colder in Winnipeg today than it was in California, but we are still going to have a great day. Yo! What's up, man, Brad?
What's up, buddy?
How you doing?
Tommy's here. I'm good, man. I'm good.
Cameraman Ian. Nice to meet you. Brandon, how come you didn't come to ComplexCon?
Man, I wish. I saw your vlogs.
It was
I want to go
so much fun.
Bad.
I got Off-White Air Max Vapor Maxes
retail.
For retail.
I saw that. That's
and
crazy.
Ari got 2 pairs of Off-White Jordan 1s, the white ones. For retail.
I'm literally watching this guy's vlogs and I'm like, just trying to text him like, yo, let's go next year. Like I'm actually
down.
If you're down.
You want to go next year?
Man, I really need to go to that. It looks so sick.
Eric, you want to go to ComplexCon next year? Okay, Eric's coming too. Name Brand invited me to Friday nights today because he wants to play the Keymaster.
That's some cash.
Dude, I'm excited. I've never won a Keymaster. I've never seen anyone win a Keymaster.
No.
To be fair, I've never really watched anyone play Keymasters. What? What the? What? What are you doing?
Bro, I'm broke. I'm trying to trade up, you know?
How many is this? It's like $200.
Yeah, it's like 33 of them. 165. What? Yeah.
I have one $5 bill. I'm just gonna wait until you play all those, then I'm gonna play one, and I'm gonna win. Close.
So easy to just like feel low on life, just losing this many times in a row.
You just need to win once though.
I know.
I mean, good effort though. I'm gonna play with my one $5 bill.
No.
If I win,
I'll kill you.
You can't have the shoes, but you can watch.
I'll title it my video then. Perfect.
All right. Do you know how happy I would have been if I won that? I would have rubbed that in your face forever.
Appreciate it.
Oh, dude, I'm sorry you didn't win.
Let's go around.
I feel really bad for you. I'm sorry I didn't win, but I mean, I spent $5. You spent $165.
Yeah. There's always next year when I make more money.
Bye, guys. Nice to meet you, cameraman Ian. Good luck on the Keymaster next time.
Appreciate you, dog.
All right, so while I was gone in Los Angeles for ComplexCon, I did get a package in the mail, and the funny thing is, I have no idea where like who sent this. It just showed up at the door. I have no idea where it's from. Tom, you're an idiot. It clearly says Nike on the box. Why are you so... It's a joke, guys. It's a joke. I got a package from Nike. I already know what this is, so it's not gonna be a huge surprise for me. I haven't seen these in person yet, so I'm very excited to see them. But just like on a side note, it annoys me so much when people get mad at YouTubers for acting like they don't know what's inside the box. Dude, If you're a big YouTuber, like especially if you're a big YouTuber, you get packages on a daily basis from random brands. I got a pack of Gatorades in the mail once from Gatorade. I didn't freaking know what it was. If YouTubers act like they don't know what's inside a package, it's genuinely because they don't know what's inside a package. Yo, that's dope. I bought his shoes and I helped plant a tree. Too bad I cut down a tree with this box. Nike, I appreciate the effort, but it's just a little bit backwards. Help planted a tree, cut down a tree. I mean, I guess I'm net neutral in terms of my environmental impact. We take our commitment to the environment seriously, which is why in partnership with forests, we continually plant trees to completely offset the carbon emissions we generate through product delivery. That's actually sort of cool. Random, but pretty cool. All right, let's pull these out. So these cost exactly $100, I believe, and is like one of the coolest budget sneakers that has come out all year. Lots of you guys might hate these. I think they're absolutely amazing. If anyone wants to purchase these, I will leave a purchase link in the description. Size 12, the colorway is dark gray, black, baroque brown? Dark gray, black, baroque brown. This is not the correct colorway. This is the right pair of shoes, but I'm gonna show you this. Show me where the baroque brown is on this pair of dad shoes. Where is the baroque brown? I see red, I see black, I see dark gray, I see blue. Nowhere do I see baroque brown on this pair of Nike M2K Technos. I'm so happy to finally have a pair of these straight from Nike. This is an amazing pair of shoes. Absolutely love this. I've been wanting a pair of these since I saw the original sort of cream with that orange hit on the heel cup. I was like, these are awesome. Dad shoes in full effect. I used to be a hater on the dad shoes. I will not lie. I was slow to come on board the dad shoe bandwagon. I was like, these are chunky. These are ugly. Why are people wearing this? People are dumb. I hate these. And I was being all negative. And then I saw the light and I was like, these are freaking awesome. And then I bought the Yeezy 700s and I bought the Yeezy 500s and I bought some more Yeezy 700s. Then I bought these. Wow, this is such a dad shoe. Oh my goodness. This is essentially, if you guys are not aware, the updated version of the Nike Air Monarch 4, the quintessential classic best-selling sneaker of all time. That is actually true. It's the best-selling sneaker of all time. The Nike Monarch 4. Such an ugly shoe, but at the same time such a fire shoe, and it was updated to this. I just love the meme. Like, I'm buying these for the meme factor. I think it's absolutely hilarious. I'm gonna slip this on my foot. These fit tight. Oh no, that's not good. I'm gonna have to exchange this for a size 13. These fit way, way, way too tight. Okay, I'm going to have to get in touch with Nike and get a size 13 for these because that is not happening with a size 12. Really, really, really tight, like really tight. So if you guys are purchasing these, go a half size up. I don't believe they usually stock size 12 and a half, so I'm just gonna go a full size up to a 13. But these are super, super snug. I do like the way they look on feet though. They look super dad shoey. They look super clunky. They look super just ugh. Like, they look gross, but at the same time they look fire. It just embodies everything that a dad shoe should be in this world. And I love it. For $100, I really do not think you can go wrong. Seriously, go pick these up. There's a white and lime green and orange one, which is awesome, that I sort of want to get as well. And there's just a bunch of colorways of this shoe available for purchase on Nike's website. That being said, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you haven't already, make sure to go follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefaniuk, just like you see right here. It does go a long way in helping out the channel and what we do here. So if you enjoy what I do on YouTube, please go follow me on Instagram and check out what I do over there. And does help out the back end of this channel a lot. Guys, I appreciate all you guys. As I said, love you guys, and I will see you with a brand new video tomorrow. So until then, peace.